Let's talk about using heat on your hair. A lot of people are still wondering whether or not they should use heat on their hair to either dry their hair or straighten their hair. And for us, the short answer is no. Using heat on your hair actually causes long-term damage to your hair. It causes dryness, hair breakage, roughness, and it makes your hair more coarse. So that's one of the things we don't recommend. If you want to straighten your hair, just train your hair by combing it out. Don't use heat to do it. Embrace the curls, right? It's for everybody. If they get the little kinkiness in there or whatever, just keep it combed out. Comb it a couple of times a day to keep it trained the way you want to get it trained. You don't have to worry about that. Just worrying about whether it looks nappy and things like that. It's natural. Just embrace the naturalness of your beard and go from there. Using heat actually causes long-term damage. Whether you want to use a shield to do it and blow dry your hair or comb it out, it's still not recommended. It's still the long-term damage effect that you have to worry about. You get the short-term benefits, but the long-term, you're gonna still get that breakage and things like that, and your hair's gonna go through that little cycle quicker than normal, and then you're gonna get a little bit thin as your hair grows out. So, bottom line is, don't use heat on your hair.